Traders, market is up this morning. We are up 0.32% from yesterday's close. If we look at yesterday's session, it was a hell of a session. We gapped up, and at the open it looked like it was going to drop, and then it just blasted off. It ran all day, closed up around over 280. If we look at the daily here, look at that move over the 200 SMA. Now that was a picture of power right there. So I'm thinking that was possibly the beginning of the trend reversal after that big downtrending month we had last month of May. Could be a new trend for a fresh new month. We'll see today if it continues. If we look at our market movers down here, we got quite a few here moving. We've got AMBA. This thing is up almost 10%, almost 150,000 traded. CRM, we got over 3% up, over 140,000 traded this morning. Roku, that's on the move too. We got quite a few here that we can work with. You know, they're all big price stocks, but we're going to have good size range. We also stream our market movers every weekday morning at 8:30 alongside market gauges like the SPY, the QQQ, DIA, and the VXX. Should be an interesting morning, so let's get to it. Roku, we're going to take this right here for a long. It's a little bit risky, but all right, we're in. We're in at 98.14. It's at all-time high here. I think it wants to see 100, but I think we can get this over 99. Stop loss will be below 97.50, and it's coming to our stop area. But I still like it. I still like this one. I think this thing goes over. Daily looks great for a long. Look at that thing. That thing is just a picture of power right there. Intraday gaps up. All right, here it comes. I'm liking this one over 99. I think once it goes over 98.50, that's it. It's going to blast off. There it is. All right, here we go. See if we can get some more here. All right, we're going to try to take this right here if we can. Here it comes. See if we can get hit here. All right, we're going to push this down. This thing's taking too long here. All right, we're out. We're out with about a 35-cent winner. I waited for a little bit. Roku, check it out. We got out just in time. NFLX, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We're in at 351.52. It's a little risky, but it's at the lows here. And I think once it breaks the lows here, it's going to crack, but it's a big mover, so it has to be a good size stop. Stop loss is going to be over 353 area, and target's going to be around 350. This is a good size mover, but I like the market. The market's downtrending. See the size of these two big fat red candles here? So that's telling me it's got some selling pressure there. It's below yesterday's close. It had a nice pop up yesterday, but it's coming up on our stop area here. I don't like that. All right, we're at our stop area here, so let's see what happens here. But I really think this thing drops. NFLX, if it don't drop soon, I'm going to come out of it because this thing is a good size mover, so I don't want to be stuck on a squeeze to the upside with this. All right, here it comes. It looks like it's about to break the low here. Market's on our side. All right, we're back at our stop area here. I don't like this. NFLX, all right, squeeze right over our stop there. If this thing don't drop soon, I'm going to come out of it with a good size loser. But the market's still telling me to stay in the trade. That's why I'm still in the trade. As soon as the market starts to get green, then I'm going to come out of this trade. All right, we're back at entry. That's a good sign. I don't think it has much of a choice now but to drop. But I think it's got a lot of stops that were put here. So the market makers are going to want to chase those stops so they can make their money. And that's where they'll be. So once it goes to that area, it should be a nice flush. Here we go. All right, let's see if we can get a nice flush down. Needs to crack 151. All right, we cracked it. All right, we'll take it right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out for, oh, now it's dropping. Now it's dropping a bit more, but that's all right. That's all right, I'll take that. We took about close to 80 cents on that trade. NFLX, look at this thing. Look at this. There was no reason for me not to stay in that trade, and I chickened out. Why? Because I was losing on it. So I changed my mindset and I held through the squeeze. So instead of sticking to my guns, I didn't. So Roku, we're going to take this for another long here. I think this thing really wants to see 100. All right, we're in. We're in at 99.15. We took it earlier and we took about 35 cents and it blasted off as soon as we got out of the trade. Now, I think it wants to see 100. It's looking really good for 100. So we're going to try to take this over 100. Stop loss on this one will be around below 98.50 area. I might even give this one a little more room because it's so strong. This stock wants to see 100 today. And even though it's dropping right here, I don't think it matters. I think you got enough buyers in this that every time the stock drops a little bit, it's going to get bought up. You got volume, you got momentum. The market is starting to wake up here. So we got three things working on our side, but the stock's dropping right now, okay? So it tapped our stop area for a bit, but look at that. It's being bought up right there. Roku, see that? Went down to 98.50, got bought right back up. So we'll probably see 100 sooner than later here, probably within the next minute or so. Here it comes. We'll see what it does. We might take it a little earlier. We'll look at this thing a little bit closer. All right, we're about to break out over the top here. I think once we do, it should be a nice clean break. There it is. All right, we're going to take this right here. Yeah, we're out. I'll take that. Just in case it drops before it hits 100, because sometimes it'll hit 100. A ton of sell orders there at 100. So we took about, what is that, 60 cents? I wanted more, but I couldn't resist just pushing the button. Facebook, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get in it. This looks really good here for a short. Just want to get hit before it cracks. All right, we're in. We're in Facebook at 166.38. Daily looks great for a short. Look at this thing. I don't think it's done selling. That's a big red candle there from 175 to 160. So you're going to have a lot more people that are going to sell this, I think. At least for another couple of days. So it's working out here. Stop will be over 167. Target's going to be around 165.75. All right, here we go. We're at our target. See if we can grab this here. You know what? We're going to push this up a little bit. All right, we're out. I'll take that. Another 60 cents before it shoots back up. You know, a lot of times I'll set my my targets and my stops, but I barely ever reach them on both ends. You know, and sometimes I do, but I try. Netflix, we're going to take this for another short here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we're in. Only got 100 shares. All right, we're in. We're full in at 351.50, second trade on it. Now, we took it earlier. We took it for a short, and we brought it down, but we could have got a lot more, and we didn't. And then it rallied from the lows there. And now you see that big fat red candle right there? That's telling me that's going to push this sucker right back down. Market just turned around. We had a green candle here, and now it's turning, just like Netflix is here. So we're going to take this down to, we got cushion today, so we're going to have a stop loss around 153 area. It's a good size stop loss. And target, I like it around 350 if we can get it there. But we'll trade it accordingly. We might take it earlier and stop it out earlier. We'll see. We'll see what happens with the market. I really think the market's about to drop here, so it should take Netflix with it. Here it comes. Volume's a little low. You know what? I don't like the volume in this. We're going to try to take this right here. We can get hit. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice. I'll take that. An extra 70 cents. You know, it might drop more, but I didn't notice the volume. I just looked at the volume, and it's kind of like, oh, and there it goes. Still going. But that's going to be it for me today. I don't really see anything else I like. You know, took most of these trades right at those critical areas where they were about to break out. which was good, which made them fast, quick, fast trades. We're up 444. Let's take a look at the trades. 5 trades, 5 winning trades. Our biggest winner on NFLX. Thanks for watching.